If Canva is not loading for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow step by step, and most of the time, one of these fixes will get Canva working again in just a minute or two. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and quick fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just gets stuck because of a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it needs. So go ahead and click the refresh button in your browser or press the keyboard shortcut to reload the page. After that, give Canva a few seconds to see if it opens properly. If Canva still is not loading, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can stop Canva from loading correctly, even if other websites seem to work. Open a new tab and search for speed test in your browser. Run a quick internet speed test and see if your connection is stable. If the speed is unusually low, that could be the reason Canva is having trouble opening. If the internet looks weak or unstable, switch your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot. Or if you're using a hotspot and it's still not loading, switch back to Wi-Fi if possible. A different network can often fix the issue right away, especially if the original connection is having DNS problems, buffering, or restrictions. Another very important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Canva can sometimes have trouble loading when a VPN is active because the connection may be routed through a different server or location that slows things down or blocks certain requests. If you have a VPN turned on, pause it or disconnect it completely, then reload Canva and see if it opens normally. If Canva still won't load after that, try combining the steps. Refresh the page again after switching networks or disabling the VPN. Sometimes the first attempt fails because the browser needs a fresh connection. Once you reload, give it a moment and check whether the Canva homepage or editor starts to appear. At this point, most loading problems are usually fixed by one of these quick solutions. To recap, first refresh the page, then check your internet speed, then switch between Wi-Fi and hotspot, and finally disable any VPN or proxy. These are the fastest and most common ways to get Canva loaded again without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting videos like this one. And if you want, I can also help you with more Canva fixes, like if Canva is blank, frozen, or not opening at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.